Hi, this is the amazing, fantastic, beautiful noon. Everyone, today I am taking a debate class. This is the special class for everyone. I hope so that you can describe very well according to your knowledge. So I want to tell to you about there are the four teams in which member of first team core and honey. This is the first team. Clap to everyone. Next one is next one is next one is Nitika and Gupta ji. And next, do you know about Solanki and Deepak? Nitika, do you know about Nitika? And fourth is Kirti and Jayant. And next one is Tarun and Nitika. Understand my point of view, everyone? So I hope so that everyone can speak very well according to your point of view. First of all, I am calling to first team members. Core and honey. Please, everyone clap to. I want to say to about this is the first team members, Core and honey. Your debate topic is friendship, most important relation in life. What is your opinion? I know that you are talking about favor and you want to talk about against. So please everyone listen to both of them, and now your time to start.
Respected teachers and hello my dear friends, I am Tashween and I am talking upon friendship is the most important relationship in our life, and I am talking in favor. As we all know, friendship is the most important thing that it is a kind of precious thing that is given by us from God. And if we all know that everyone has their best friend and true friends. As we all know that friends are like that from which we can share each and everything and the certain secrets with them. And also I also think that we also have to be good friends, do not make bad friends, because if we fall into a bad company, it is not good for us, because sooner or later we also felt in that company. Thank you.
Good evening, good afternoon everyone. Today my topic is friendship is more important in our life. I am against in that topic because friendship is a part of that. Friendship is not important in the life of every person because there are two types of friendship. Some first is bad and second is good. I don't think every person have a take good friends in our life. And according to my thing, parents is the best part in our life to be share everything in our point of view in every second and every minute. If we are sharing our point of view with our parents on that time, we are thinking we are able to write that wrong work. So if we are taken by friends suggestion on that time, we should take some wrong decisions.
I want to say that you said we have to make our friends our parents. I also tell that we also do friendship with them. There is also kind of word friendship. In any relation, we have to do friendship to go long to that relationship.
I think I am not told friendship. I am told only parents. We should talk our parents on that time when we are feel some hesitate and we feel some wrong. We are going the wrong way.
It is also our friends, because we all listen that our mother is our first friend and first teacher. As I said, that it is also like that. I think all of us has friends, but it is quite that we have to choose good friends. It is little bit difficult, but you have to choose good friends. You don't have to choose bad company, because when you go to that bad company, it falls into kind of bad categories, like in kind of smoking, drinking. Sooner or later, you also fell in that.
I don't think every person feel nowadays have a good friends, because every person is thought about herself and her and himself, because nowadays every person takes some get some money from anyways, like a different work, so he want to get some money, not a if he will take good friends, every friends is not good person. If you have getting some, if you are getting some money, so on that time you will told about I will give that money to loan. If you are taken that money from her and his parents, on that time he is giving that money very easily. Firstly he asked about that. What is the reason why are you taking that money? If you taken that friend, on that time he or she is not asking about what are you taking that money.
Okay, I will tell you. And that friend is your false friend, not your true friend. Because when you have a false friend, they always support you when you are rich and famous. And when you are at a poor stage, they never stand by you and said that I can help you. They never tell you. Only a true friend can tell you, friend, I am with you and I am do work for you and my efforts towards you.
I don't,
Not a true friend.
I don't think today at today's time there have a true friend, because if you as you say that he will say that it is wrong way, and no friend is told nowadays, no one told about that it is wrong way, you are going to wrong way and right, you are going to right way. Every person wants to take his get the fame on that, and he will show that some wrong decisions.
As you said that are your not true friends, that is your false friend. I am talking about true friends. It is, as I said, it is little bit difficult, but it is not impossible to find true friends. If you find your true friends, you can.
You have a true friend?
Yes, I have.
You share everything
Yes.
with two friends. If he is told about other person your secrets, so what will you do? What is your opinion? Your true friend.
I want to tell you, I do not trust each and everyone, and I do not trust on them blindly. Trust anyone, but not blindly. It is also harmful to you. Trust on them, but it is not like that. Tell all those things, and you know about them how they both are.
If you have a friend, okay, you told about everything, and she told about other person, and on that time what is your reaction?
First
And
of
what
all-
will you say on that time?
First of all, see that friend. How is that? False or true? As I say, it is little bit
You
difficult,
told every
but not
secret
impossible. But not impossible. Choose your true friend, not your false friend.
I am also you told every secret thing, so it is your true
I
friend.
think
So
I don't told all the secrets, because I told only the all secrets to my mom, not to all of them, because I don't know, I cannot trust on a blood relationship. Then how can I trust on them?
So I want to ask you about what is the role of the friend in your life? Why?
As I said, that friends are too much good for us, because when we are in tension at that time, they also give up motivation at that time. If we want to do something, they also push up to do that work. If we want to get that success, then they pressure us that do that work, because it is good for us.
Okay, next one I want to ask from you. Friends make your life interesting to live. Yes or no?
yes, sir. When we are live that friends on that time, I have nowadays I am going to bed complete to my friends group, and now I am leaving that friend circles. On that now I am feel safe and secure, and I think it is better. It is good for me, because I am leaving that person, and not that time. The person is on that time. The person is also thought about that he is a bad guy, and we should never thought that we should never talk that person, and he is talking about in different ways of according to her opinion.
Okay, everyone, you want to ask to yeah.
I want to ask you, that how can you say that everyone has a true or a best friend?
I said everyone has a true or best friend, because I said these words because I saw many of the people and they have a good and true best friends, as I saw. But they also tell that they have false friend and they leave their hand, because they are not good for them, because they are putting into bad company. And I want to say to you, everyone has, because they have a parents and they can make their friends to them.
I also want to ask that, like, from the Honey, that Honey, you said that everyone has no true friends, but also she said that our parents are our true friends and are the first friend of us. So how can you say that said that everyone has no true friend. Our mother is our best friend and true friend and the first friend of our life.
Because parents is different and friends is different. If you thought about we should talk about that topic of not our parents and our friends on that time. She should talk about firstly we should talk about that person, and after that she or he is talk about to other person and told that he is faced some problem, and that on that time the problem is faced very.
I want to point out that thing that if you a thing which you don't able to speak with your parents is not true and is not right in a way, in any way. Everything if you want, if you able to share with your parents, then it is right. If you don't able to share with your parents, it's wrong. So please don't say that the friends are different and the parents are different. Parents and friends are the both same thing. But it is your mentality that you put them on a different way.
You share every single talk with your parents.
Yes, sometimes.
Sometime you should
Because,
not.
but I know that if I am not sharing that thing with my mother or with my father, that I know that it is wrong. In any way, it is wrong. I knew that.
If you know that it is your true friend, so why are you not sharing that points to our parents?
I say that if we share all that things with our parents, that is true, that is right, and which is not wrong for us. I also share with you that if I am not telling that thing, I knew that it is wrong. It is not right for me. It is wrong. But it is not possible. I am not saying that she is not my true friend.
You sharing that talks with your friends. If you are not sharing that,
Not with anyone, not with everyone. Only with some people that on with I have trust.
I want to interrupt you that you said you don't tell to your parents. That is wrong, and you also tell those things to your mom and dad, because in that way they can help you to come out from that situation. You can tell to them. But you said that you share.
she is not told also. I am that. That is the reason I am told to say that.
Okay. This is the nice debate. Everyone clap to both of them. So it is nice, and I think so that you have listened to point of view both of them, and then you can explain this in front of your friend circle with your. Do you know about that the mother role is the most important part for everyone's life. Mother is the first friend, first goal, we can say that. So nice clap to both of them. Thank you so much.